Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this today's session, we will going to understand how we can check the what kind of the index is used in the query. So basically, I have been getting a lot of questions regarding how can we understand I have a procedure. The query is I have a procedures which is having a lot of queries, and I don't know how to check what indexes are being used on the particular table. So for that, I thought of taking this thing in today's session. So we will understand how we can check that what index is being used in the query. So for demonstration purpose, I have used this adventure work 2017 database, and I have taken up three queries in front of you. So let me go ahead and execute this first query here. Okay, and I have included the execution plan also. Let me include this actual execution plan. Let me select it again and execute it. So this time execution plan is now mentioned here, is available here. So you see this is the table scan execution here. If you mouse over here, you will see the list of things which is being used in while scanning the entire table. Okay, so go and check the object section. If you look into the object section carefully from the bottom, there is two things: object and output list. So output list basically define what is going to what we are going as an what we are going to get as an output through this query. And object is what is the object on which this query is being run. So object is nothing but the table name. So if you see there, the first is adventure work. In the object, what is written? Adventure work 2017. In the lower section, if you see the object, adventure works 2017 dot, then we have a schema name, that is dbo dot, then we have a object name, that is nothing but our table, not view, so it is tbl sample. There is no index applied on this table. That means there is no index name in the object section. That means there is no index on this table. So this is simply a table scan. So this way we can get the index that we do not have any index on this table. Now let's go ahead and run the second query. This is a department, and we are selecting only top 5 records out of it. So let me go ahead and execute. 5 records are executed, and we go to the execution plan. And if we see here, instead of table scan, we have a clustered index scan. First of all, name suggests that there is a clustered index. Okay, and if you see carefully, they are giving the clustered pk the name also. If you mouse over, go to the object section. In the object section, you can see the entire name of the object is displayed here, which includes your database name, which is adventure work 2017 dot, schema name, which is human resource dot department, which is object name, and after that, that is the primary key constraint, which is also the clustered index which is applied on this table. So from here you can get the complete name of your primary key which is applied on this table. Okay, and again, as I stated earlier, output list shows the list of the columns which we are going to get as an output through this query, because we have used the select top asterisk. Okay, asterisk means all the columns. So we have all 4 columns: department id, name, group name, and modified date. That the all these 4 columns are displayed in the output list section of this clustered index scan box. Okay, so from here you can get the idea. Okay, this is the my primary key is applied on this query. Okay, on this particular table. And now I have third query here, where I am sorting out or we can I'm filtering the data on the base of department id, okay, on which my primary key is already applied. So what will happen? Let's see. Execute it and go to the execution. It give me a correct record. Okay, it give me a filtered record. Now go to the execution plan. If you mouse over here, you can see first of all what is written over here: clustered index seek. It is written index seek, it is not written clustered index scan. Okay, so there is a minor difference. Clustered index scan is basically scanning of the entire table based on the clustered index. Whatever clustered index is nothing but a primary key. So with the help of primary key, SQL Server Database Engine will scan the table. Okay, and clustered index seek means with the help of the value of the, so value whatever you given in our in our case we have given the number 2. the department, we wanted to fetch only the record which is having a department ID whose value is 2. So with the help of the value, okay, with the help of the value of the clustered index, because department ID, on the department ID we have a primary key. Okay, so the value, on the basis of the value what we have on the clustered index, on the basis of that we will filter the record. So we are seeking the record based on the clustered index value. Okay, so that is called the clustered index seek. Okay, coming back to what we are talking about, how we can check the index, just mouse over of it and you can see we have an object. Now you can seek here uh, object, and in the object you have again adventure work 2017, then schema name, human resource, then object name, database, department, and then we have a primary key, cluster index, primary key, pk underscore department id. And in output list we again have a 4 columns because we have used select asterisk from in the third query. Okay, now we have, you must be wonder, we have another thing also here, seek predicate. Seek predicate is nothing, is basically it says that I am seeking the value number 2. Okay, I'm just seeking the record which is having the value 2. I am not interested in scanning the whole entire columns, entire, sorry, not entire column, entire rows. So I'm just seeking the value, and this number 2 is the seeking predicate. So that is the next third section. So this is the one way by which you can find out what index is applied on the table in from the query side. And the second way is, I think that is you already knows, like you have a table department. So you, yeah, this is the table. Okay, you can go to the object explorer, expand it, go to the index section, and here you will find all the indexes which is applied on the particular table. From this section you will find all the indexes, but in the query itself, what index is basically used for the particular query, you can find it out through this mouse hovering. Include the execution plan in your query, and then go to this section, mouse over the index, scan, and then go to the object section, and here you will find out the what index, there must be multiple indexes applied on the column. So what index basically is used for that particular query. Okay, so I hope I have resolved your query, resolved your questions regarding that. And let me know if you have any query regarding this session. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy learning.